remove your video noise, all you have to need, open the gallery app and open the video. So here, as you can see, my video has lots of noise. Let's see how to remove all noise. After opening the video, just tap on this Galaxy AI icon. And the Galaxy AI will analyze my audio from my video. Here, select auto. Now, all you have to need to remove your video noise, you have to select here. You can select -90 to -100%. And then just tap on save copy. And now let's play this video again. So as you can see, 95% noise has removed from my video. That's how we can actually remove video noise.